Hello defenders, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an environment for web development. In our last video we have learned about what is HTML, who needs to learn HTML. So if you don't know and you have never watched that video, please go back and check out that video. It's really cool video and you probably need to watch that video so that you can jump on to the next video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Visual Studio Code, which is the code editor that we are going to be using, how you're going to install it step by step, and how you're going to set up needed extension for a smooth working environment. Okay, so first of all, what you need is good internet connection. As you can see here, it has internet access, and also you're gonna need a browser. One of these can do, or any other browser out there. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be using Chrome since it is one of the most popular browsers out there. So first thing you go to the browser. So you open your browser on a new tab, Visual Studio Code. So if you enter, it will lead to this Google search page and you go to the first website. Don't worry, I've put the link in the description, but it's just same as code.visualstudio.com, which is the first. Then you click on that link and so it will lead to this page. As you can see, it's now showing Windows 11 and it says Linux, and then we have Mac OS. Since I'll be using the Windows operating system, I'm currently using Windows 10. I'm going to click this download button so that it can start downloading. As you can see, it's saying your download of Visual Studio Code should start shortly. Okay, so if it has not started, you can use the directly download link, so you can check the downloads. So I'm going to fast forward this so that you can see when it's actually downloaded. So as we can see that the Visual Studio Code is already downloaded. So what you can do, there's two ways. The first way is that you can click this folder button that says show in folder, which will lead you to the downloads folder. So as you can see, I have already downloaded this one earlier, and this one is what I just downloaded. So the other method is going through the file manager and going to the downloads folder. It's already here. So what you can do is right click and open. So or just double click. So after that, the installation process will begin. So these are the terms and conditions. So you read and you accept, then you click next, then yes, next, and next. Then create a desktop icon so that you can easily find the app launch icon on your desktop, and then you go to next and then you install. Okay, so after it have done, you go again and click finish. So this one here, if you take this one, it's just going to launch Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to click finish and then it will automatically launch Visual Studio Code, as I just said. So this is the first Visual Studio window. So the first thing I'm going to do is to install all the necessary extensions. So where do we get the extensions? We get here. So here I want you to search for live server and enter. Then it will show this extension, so you have to click the first one, which is Lifesaver, and click install. And after you have clicked install, it will start installing, and then you have to trust the publisher and install. Then after that, after it has been installed, it will show like this one, and then after that your extension will be already installed. So in order for us to start coding, we have to open a new folder, in this case desktop, and then we select, and it will open a new workspace, and we create a brand new folder there. Let's call it web dev, yeah, for the sake of practice, and it's done. Then we open, then we click new file. So let's just call it index.html. Don't forget to put the .html extension so that it shows it's an HTML document. Well, then we choose the folder, and then we create file. Then after that, we have our brand new workspace, and you type exclamation mark and hit enter for a basic web template. Let's put an h1 tag here and type hello defender, so that we can see if it is actually working, to test our environment for functionality. So we right click on our document and click open with Lifesaver. As you can see, our website is up and running. So on our next video, we shall be showing you what each and every tag that we have used, or that is shown in the template, really mean, and we shall be learning on some new tags. Thank you so much. Wait, you forgot something. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I really want to hear from you. Thank you so much.